good, man? It's your boy cashchaosss in the game, the smoothest ever do it, man. And we are back with another video, man. As y'all can see by the title, I'm about to show y'all how to do these pearlized bands. Do those, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not spinning a band on. Let me show y'all this. See that?
Right there? I am not spinning a band on that. No.
Yeah, but like I said, man, I will be showing y'all. I'm not about to spin a band on those. I do want the pink pair. So, Vans, if you see this video, send me the pink pair. But I'm gonna show you how to do the DIY version. Alright, but it's really gonna cost less than $100, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, you're gonna get these Vans. I think these Vans are about like 70, and I did start on them, as you can see. I have been wearing these unfinished. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I know, because I've been rocking them. These are hard, though. Shout out Matt is Golden. Shout out him, man. And Vans is making a crazy comeback. That's all I used to wear as a kid. Alright, so let me tell you everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need, obviously, the Vans, which is like $70 or something. I don't remember the price, but they're like $7. I'll put the price up there. You can go to your local Walmart or Target. I don't go to Walmart. I don't really like Walmart. I'm gonna be real. You're gonna get E6000. You're gonna get the one that comes with the. It comes with like one of these. It comes with one of these. So you're gonna get one of these. You're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. These are like $9 or something like that. Also go get some tweezers. You're gonna get those because to place these is kind of difficult. Pearls, it don't matter what color, honestly, whatever color you want. I got off-white and just regular pearls. These right here, I'm not gonna lie, these are expensive. These are expensive. But nonetheless though, I got 4 of these, I believe 3 or 4 of these. You're gonna get a bunch of these because these are gonna be like the accent color. And then you're gonna get, now I had to order these beads type of ordeals off Amazon because no store had the black ones. They did have a pack for like $20 or like $30. I was not about to buy that because it was a huge pack though, and it came with one size. But this is on Amazon. I will put the link in the description for that as well. But yeah, man, so let's get to it. Enough yapping. So they right here, man. They are here, the shoes. I'm gonna show y'all the first step though. Alright, so first order of business. I'm not gonna lie to you. As you can see the pattern. I'm gonna show y'all the pattern on here. Alright, as y'all can see the pattern on these, you can see it's checkerboard. But as you can see, I use like disparity. I went like a big one, and I went like 4 small ones, as you can see right there. And then I also went like 1 big, 1 medium, and 3 diamonds. Like, it's just disparity, like showing the different contrast of like each little square, I guess, if that's what you want to, call it. It's pretty much easy. I'm gonna show you. So what I do first, I pick my big ones first. I'm gonna do 2 small ones, 2 big ones, or whatever the case may be. And I go like this. I chose the off-white pearls. If you wanted to know, because I mean, I think that's more similar to the actual version of the Matt is Golden. This is where the tweezers come in. You gotta have the tweezers. So what you want to do is, I'm gonna be honest, you can do it 1 or 2 ways. What I like to do is, I like to put the glue down first, simply because like you kind of just lay it on there. But if you put the glue on each individual, it's gonna take hours to do. I'm not gonna lie. All right, as y'all can see, my first square. This is how it's supposed to be done, right? So this is how I did it. I'm gonna go ahead and put what I need for the white square. There. Boom, you get your pearl. Oh, boom, 1 pearl. Medium size one. Where your diamonds? This is where your diamonds come in. You grab one of your diamonds. Boom, that's how it's gonna turn out, as you can see. Yeah, look. As you can see, this is how it's gonna turn out. See all the squares. Boom, that's how it's gonna turn out. All right, then for the black, I'm gonna be real, for the black, I don't have black diamonds. I could not find black diamonds at the store. It would be best if you could find black diamonds. That would make the whole like ordeal for you. It'd be lit. That's what I'm trying to say basically. It'd be lit if you could find black diamonds. It'd make the shoe like glisten a little more. I couldn't find them and I didn't feel like waiting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add these. Alright, so as you can see, we are done with 2 by I told like 5 minutes, so it's like maybe 40 squares, those 40 times. It's gonna take like maybe 2 or 3 hours to finish one shoe. But nonetheless, it's gonna end up very well regardless though. It could take less, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna go through these quick, like do all the black ones and do all the it's just how I do it. But nonetheless, man, like I said though, these are a great shoe. Like I said, I'm gonna put a time lapse because it's gonna take me a little minute. I'm gonna try to at least finish half the shoe right now. Yeah. Time lapse, man. Alright, what's good, y'all? So, like I said, I finished the one side of the black. It took me like 20 minutes, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. Yeah, man, I done finished that one. We're gonna get done with this. Now I'm gonna do the white side now with the diamonds and the off-white pearls. Alright, man, as y'all can see, we are not done yet. You see what I'm saying? So, this is how it's gonna look though. I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all like a little B-roll kind of how it's gonna look. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. I'm not gonna lie, it took me maybe an hour to do all this. So it's probably gonna take me maybe 2 to 3 more hours to get this shoe done as well. But like I said, man, this is how the shoe's gonna look. It's beautiful, it's amazing. Like I said, again, shout out Maddie, shout out Vans. If y'all are watching this video, send me a pair. Size 11, send me a pair. I need it. 11 or 11 and a half, whichever one y'all have, send me a pair. I need it. But nah, I'm about to finish up. I need to go get something to eat. I've been doing this for a little while. I am actually pretty hungry. About to grab something to eat and check back with y'all when the shoe's completely done. All right, what's good, y'all? It is day 2. I did run out of, what do you call these, beads the other day? So I did end up completing this shoe though. As you can see, this shoe is complete. Front, back, side, all that. And I added a little stripe on the back. Just so I feel like these are a little bit dirty, I'm not gonna lie. So I wanted to add like a little stripe on the back. I mean, it's cool, I don't really like, it's whatever, but yeah, so I gotta do this one next. Just show y'all the before and after kind of. This is a method that I like to use, right? So what I like to do is, just like a little tip for y'all when y'all do your shoes or whatever shoe you decide to do. I like to start by just putting a little bit on. Let's say I'm gonna do black. I like to start with like, maybe 4 or 5 tiles, so I could just place quickly, because they're all gonna look the same mainly. Boom, another medium. Alright, boom, as you can see, I got like 5 squares done in like 5 minutes. So yeah, black is pretty easy to do. It's the small crystals, the small pearls you gotta worry about, but nonetheless, man, like I said, I will be done with this in the next like 30, 45 minutes. But I'm gonna show y'all when both of them are done. Man, let me tell y'all, 36 hours later, and we got it. But they done, we got it done, but these are it right here, man. 36 hours later. 36 hours later. That's what's going on, 36. But yeah, man, this is a great experience. Man, these turned out hard. I'll probably spend a 1K. I'll probably spend a little band or whatever, because it wasn't worth it, because it just took a lot of my time, but nonetheless, I did it for y'all. Enjoy this video, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, comment, I don't even care about this, just like and comment. You know what I'm saying? I want to see what y'all process was. Also, follow me on Instagram at @cashchaosss with 3 S's at the end. And shout out Vans, man. I hope y'all send me a pair of these, but also shout out Mattis. It's a lot of shout outs, but nonetheless, man, I love y'all. Stay sane, stay fly, man. Stay lit. Shit. We out, man.